Oh,
You're
Brian.
only 2 years old?
Come on.
Look what you got.
So one time we're giving you food.
Oh, you know you want it.
Come on, Milton.
Oh,
There you go.
Yummy.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Oh, is that good?
What a pig. Oh no. It's not. Oh. Oh no. Did he eat the candle?
He's like, this is delicious.
Oh, look at that mess. Is it good? Don't push it in the corner, Milton. Oh, God.
Oh, no, he's stuffing it in.
Oh, God. Here. Whose idea was this?
It was yours. You'd be surprised he'll have it cleaned.
Oh, I hope it doesn't slip. Is it good? Milton, is it good? Happy birthday, Piggy. Oh, water.
Wow,
He's washing down that sugar. And back to the cake. Oh, there goes the candle. Oh,
Probably his favorite part.
bye-bye, candle. Oh. He's like, wait a minute, that's not cake.
It's not cake.
Oh, can't wait to clean this up. Where's my birthday Piggy?
Oh, it's so good. It's good to be 2, huh? Is it good to be 2 years old, buddy? You a happy piggy? He devoured that whole cake.
I know. Oh. Oh, gone.
Oh, you get it cleaned up.
Mm-hmm. Happy birthday, Milton.